It's SoStocked.com. And then you simply click on the pricing section. And it'll give you the pricing, and you'll be able to select which items you're interested in, or which range you're currently in. So if your business is selling 3,000 units a day or a month, sorry, this is a monthly, 3,000 units, you say, okay, this is my rate. I know we're going to give a special offer. So the special offer might be to reduce this rate, might be an extended trial or something like that. The other thing that we're going to be introducing soon is a free audit. A free audit, essentially, we're looking at the profit and how inventory affects your profit. So we're talking a lot about those things. We talked about overstock fees and stocking out. Those are aspects that we identify. And then on the other side, you have something called resizing, where we'll look at your products and we'll be able to tell you if you made some adjustments and you could get into a lower size tier, you could lower your fulfillment fees. So we're always looking at inventory and supply chain from the perspective of how to improve your profit, improve your cash flow, and increase the ability to scale up. Because like you mentioned, if you are low on cash flow or your profit is smaller than it maybe could be, then you're not able to purchase the inventory that you want to for what you're currently selling, let alone be able to launch new products. So inventory has a lot to do with being able to scale.
Pretty cool. So yeah, there's also the option to pay annually, monthly. People can choose, and again, based on the amount of orders, people can see exactly. We can even, I guess, enter manually the order amount or click on these little squares that just have it kind of like kind of ready. So then, okay.
Exactly.
So it adjusts. Pretty cool. So again, we're going to have the best offer in the description. If anyone has any more questions, ask freely, like 100%. And I believe, of course, people get the free audit. No, sorry, not the free audit, the one-on-one onboarding once they invest in the tool, right? Which makes sense, right? They invest and then they get the email. There's going to be like people that will understand how to get it, this free.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, you'll be able to do your first initial setup steps, connect your account, and a couple of other things, book your onboarding call, and then we'll also be able to help to look at your business from a profit perspective, because our objective is be able to increase your investment. So if you're investing in a software, we should be able to not only make your life easier, save you time, which is one of those things that's hard to quantify. Oh, I saved, it used to take me 20 hours. Now it takes me 5 hours, which is great. But can we also save you money so that it's worth more to have a software like this than it is to be paying for it?